Is CurtexCoin.com the next big crypto opportunity or just another slick-looking scam dressed in fancy buzzwords and empty promises? At first glance, the website appears convincing. It claims to support major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Coin, boasts a clean interface, and throws around industry terms like ISO certifications, SOC2 compliance, and PCI DSS. But once I started digging deeper, the cracks started to show in fast. Those supposed security credentials? Pure fluff. There's not a single verifiable link, certificate, or document to back any of them up. Just text on a screen. Then I checked the domain itself. Turns out CurtexCoin.com was only registered on May 5, 2025. That's just a few days ago, meaning there's absolutely no track record, no online reputation, and no real user history. It gets worse. The site design looks like it's been copy-pasted from other known scams like Yak Token and Gefacoin. Same structure, same layout, same false sense of professionalism. And the list of partners? Completely made up. They drop big names like Andreessen Horowitz and Paradigm to build fake credibility. But after checking the actual firm's official sites and press releases, nothing. No mention of CurtexCoin. Total fabrication. I couldn't find a single genuine user review on Trustpilot, Reddit, or any legitimate crypto forum. It's like the site appeared out of nowhere, and no real person has ever used it, or worse. The people who did may have been scammed and gave up trying to warn others. Even the strategies they use: aggressive marketing, hyped-up promises, and flashy graphics match the same patterns found in scams documented on sites like eveninsight.com. I personally tested the platform, created an account, and poked around. What I found was a bare-bones interface with no real trading functionality, no proof of liquidity, and zero transparency about who runs it. There was no KYC, no legal documentation, and no contact details beyond a generic form. So, is it legit? Honestly, nothing about CurtexCoin.com builds trust. While I'm not outright accusing it of being a scam, I can say with confidence that it fails every test of credibility a serious investor should apply. If you're thinking about putting money into this platform, step back and look at the full picture, because right now it looks like CurtexCoin is more illusion than innovation.